everyone. Today I am doing a method of separation which is called as hand picking. I am pouring some rice seeds on a sheet of paper. You can see that there are some stones and husks on the piece of paper. Now I am separating this with my hand. This method of separation is known as hand picking. This method is used to separate slightly large impurities like husk from wheat, etc. This hand picking method is a convenient method of separating substances. This can be used in many parts of our daily life, like separating the husk and stone from rice, husk from wheat, and then many more. Thank you.